Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional. Today we discussed about using headers and footers in Word documents. Headers and footers are essential features in Microsoft Word that help you add important information to the top and bottom of your documents. Whether you're creating a professional report, academic paper, or business document, headers and footers ensure consistency and improve the document's overall appearance. In this guide, we will explore how to use headers and footers effectively in Word. What are headers and footers? Headers appear at the top of each page, while footers appear at the bottom. They can contain various elements, including text, images, page numbers, dates, and even custom designs. These sections remain consistent throughout the document unless you apply specific changes to different sections. How to insert headers and footers in Word. Step 1. Open the Header and Footer menu. Open Microsoft Word and Word document. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Select Header or Footer from the toolbar. Choose a predefined style or select Edit Header, Footer to create a custom design. Step 2. Customize your header and footer. Once the header or footer section is activated, you can customize it by adding text such as a document title or author name, inserting page numbers by clicking page number in the Design tab, adding images like company logos or watermarks, using fields like date and time to display automatic updates. Step 3. Formatting headers and footers. To format your headers and footers, use the different first page option to create a unique header, footer on the first page. Select different odd and even pages to create distinct designs for alternating pages. Use section breaks to apply different headers and footers to different document sections. Adding page numbers to headers and footers. Page numbers are commonly added to headers or footers in long documents. To add them, go to the Insert tab. Click Page Number and choose the placement top, bottom, or margins. Select a predefined style or format it manually. Click Close Header and Footer when done. Advanced Header and Footer features link to previous, ensures continuity across document sections, quick parts and fields, automate content such as author names, file paths, and word counts. Graphics and borders enhance aesthetics by adding lines, colors, or background images. How to remove headers and footers. If you need to remove headers or footers, double-click the header or footer area. Select header or footer from the ribbon. Click Remove Header or Remove Footer to delete it. Conclusion: using headers and footers in Word helps create professional, well-structured documents. They improve readability, provide necessary information on each page, and offer customization options for different sections. By mastering these features, you can enhance your document formatting and streamline your workflow effectively. Now that you know how to use headers and footers, try experimenting with different designs to see what works best for your document needs. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative videos. Thank you.